Hello there and welcome. Today we are doing a super easy morning flow class. So grab your mat and let's get started. To start the class, we're coming to the top of our mat. Okay, now once you're here, you're going to inhale, bring your hands all the way up, grounding your feet to your mat. And exhale, bring your hands down by your sides. Okay, now inhale again, bringing your hands in front of you, sinking down into chair. Now exhale, forward fold. You can either bring your hands on your thighs, your shins, or your feet. Inhale, chair again, and exhale, forward fold. Walk your left and right feet to the back of the mat, coming into downward dog. From here, you're going to lower your knees down towards the ground, sitting up tall. Now we're going to come into child's pose. So you can take different variations here. Do whatever is most comfortable for you. You can either bring your hands forward, placing your chin on the ground, your forehead on the ground, or you can bring your hands behind you. We're going to stay here for 2 breaths. Once you've completed your breaths, slowly rise up, bring your hands down to the ground for cat-cow. Coming into tabletop position, making sure that your back is level, you're slowly going to inhale and arch your back up, bringing your forehead to the sky. As you're ready, exhale, pushing your tailbone down and arching your shoulders. Inhale, look up, rolling your back. And exhale, arch your shoulders, pushing your tailbone down to the ground. We're going to do 2 more sets of this. So slowly inhaling up and exhaling, curling your back. Inhaling and exhale. We're going to come into downward dog, so you're going to lift your knees off the ground, extending your legs, pedaling out your feet, lifting one heel as you place the other heel on the ground. We're going to come into plank now, so you're going to bring your shoulders over your hands, bringing your heels higher off the ground. You can either stay here, or you can work yourself into chaturanga and then upward facing dog. So as you're ready, if you want to go further, you're slowly going to roll your elbows in towards your chest, and then you're going to inhale, pulling your toes forward, looking up. As you're ready, exhale, downward dog. And you're slowly going to step, hop, or jump to the top of your mat. Forward fold. And again, inhaling all the way up. Exhale, hands down to your sides. Okay, we're going to run through that again. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, hands at your sides. Inhale, rolling your fingers forward, sitting down. Exhale, forward fold, placing your hands on your thighs, your shins, or your feet. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the ground, bending your knees if you have to. Placing your left and then your right foot to the back of your mat for downward dog. Once you're here, you're slowly going to bring your knees down to the ground, coming into child's pose. Taking again whatever variation you want to in this position. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths. Try to relax your neck with every exhale. as you're ready, slowly rise up, bringing your hands beneath your shoulders. And we're going to work ourselves into cat-cow. So slowly inhaling, arching your back, looking forward, rising your chest up. And exhaling, tucking your tailbone, pushing your hands away from you, curling your back up. Again, inhaling up. And exhaling, curling your back, rounding your shoulders. Once more, we're going to inhale up. And exhale. Come back to center. Both toes tucked under, we're going to work ourselves into downward dog. Pedal out your feet here, bringing one heel up as you place the other heel on the ground. On your next inhale, come into plank. You can either stay here or you can work yourself into chaturanga and then upward facing dog. On your next inhale, slowly come down. Exhale. And inhale, rise up, extending your toes behind you. On your next inhale, slowly round your back, coming into downward dog. And as you're ready, you're slowly going to step, walk, or jump your feet to the top of your mat. Forward fold, moving from side to side. And as you're ready, you're slowly going to inhale your hands all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Once more, inhaling, rising all the way up. And exhaling, bringing your hands to heart center. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. That is the end of our quick and easy morning class. Thank you so much for joining, and I hope you have the wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.